Liquid Road is the high-performance asphalt-based alternative to coal tar sealers. Because Liquid Road is asphalt-based, its black satin finish looks better, won't check crack, doesn't have coal tar odor, and is user-friendly because it's less caustic. Liquid Road is both polymer modified and fiber reinforced. Elastomeric polymers are hot blended into Liquid Road to add strength and flexibility, and it's job mixed with specially graded aggregate, providing a durable, slip-resistant surface treatment. Liquid Road is ideal for highway shoulders, secondary roads, parking lots, and residential streets where how the job looks is as important as durability. Liquid Road can be applied with squeegee, brush, or sprayed to produce an even textured surface with no loose stones, so it's ideal for bicycles, pedestrian, and vehicular traffic, and the anti-skid surface makes it safer. Just ask DuPage County how they like Liquid Road. They've been using it for several years to maintain their 52-park system.
I'm Richard Long. I'm a preserve maintenance foreman for DuPage County Forest Preserve. This is one of the 52 parks that we maintain parking lots in. Over the years we've tried numerous different sealers after we stopped using coal tars. Out of all the asphalt-based sealers I've tried in the past, Liquid Road seems to be working out the best. Our initial test park we used it in has been down two full years now and shows very little wear. It's holding up very well. The crew, they really like the material. There's no chemical burns. But as far as wear-wise, we've had it down for 2 seasons now and hardly shows any signs of wear whatsoever in the first park we used it in. So we're really pleased with it.
To find out how Liquid Road can help make your pavement look better longer, contact your local SealMaster representative for more information or visit us online at www.sealmaster.net.